Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to show camera stats on map in the Trailforks application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the settings button. And at the end of the page, click on the debug settings button. And then click on the show camera stats on map button. And just click on the little button next to them, and once it turned blue and there's a tick inside, it means that it is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.